Terrence, how would you describe this process of putting up your car for a body kit? You gotta like zoom in and do all this stuff and like just gotta dub it with rock and roll music. wait, get the kick again.
All right, today's the day. We're gonna start cutting the Z. So these come with styrofoam on all four corners. Good on them. A different company I used, it just came in a cardboard box, and that's it for my knockoff Rocket Bunny kit.
For the 40?
Yeah. So we're gonna rip these off, mock it up, and then mark up the fenders. So one thing about body kits that I prefer to my taste is, see how it like cuts over and then it sticks out? That way you can see the back of the wheel here, and you just wanna smack it. Yeah, I think we can go high, dude. We can go hella high with this one.
Hell yeah, we can.
So yeah, it's still kind of wide, but once we set it back on the ground and get my thinner wheels and take out this fat spacer in here, then we'll be fine. So I think the plan will be, we'll cut, I mean, we can go pretty far in.
Dude, we can go up to here.
I'm not sure what we're gonna do there, or just cut it to here.
We can round it off. I have the grinding wheels. We can round it
We
off.
can round it off, or take a mallet and bend it in.
You're right.
And it'll look curved in, which is kind of cool.
That's a good idea. We'll do both.
Dude, check this out. It's like a toolbox on the side, you know?
It's basically a Pagani. So we've got some of our markings and reference points.
All right, now watch. This is very crucial that you get this to an exact measurement. Any variation can be catastrophic. You take your middle finger as a measuring tool and you just, I'm just gonna push it with my finger. Just like that. I mean, that's not bad. I mean,
It's not bad.
you know, blend it, you know, a little shading.
How wide these wheels are right now. These are 10.5s. That's the body kit. That's the clearance we still need to follow. Oh. Damn.
All right. We cut the fronts. Now we're gonna peel it off and show the post-op look.
Not too bad. That grinder definitely did a number.
Yeah, fronts are pretty much done. We'll tackle the rears another day. Like and subscribe to this channel as I continue to build this car, and then hopefully we can go slide it soon. That's like all I want.